afternoon, everyone. My name is Isabela Cataño, and welcome to ISQ News. Today, we are going to talk about a very interesting case. In the town of Hinkle, in the Californian Mojave Desert, northwest of Los Angeles, people start to fall sick with a variety of illnesses, which make us believe that maybe the company PG&E is contaminating the water with chromium-6. Let's go with the news. Yesterday, we decided to interview Erin Brockowich, who informed us in more detail about this problem. She told us about it all started when the community of Hinkle started to fall sick with a variety of illnesses, skin burns, pneumonia, and cancer. She was thinking, what will be the common denominator of why people were getting sick? She detected that the water tasted, smelled, and looked different. At that point, Erin Brockowich decided to take samples from the water of her pool, bathroom, and urine of the people in Hinkle. She made some investigation to see what substance the water had. She detected chromium-6 in the urine of some people and also in the water. The company PG&E sipped out chromium-6 into Hinkle's water supply. The person responsible for this contamination was the energy company Pacific Gas and Electric Company, which were using this component since the 1950s to transport gas and also for refrigeration purposes. The water was stored in deposits that weren't waterproof, which caused the contamination of water leaked into the groundwater. With the help of Ed Masry, Erin won the lawsuit against EPG. The people that were affected obtained a compensation of more than $330 million, which helped finance the medical costs derived from the ingestion of contaminated water. Nowadays, it's hard work to analyze how they are gonna decontaminate the water to solve this problem. PG&E has been working to contain and clean up the tainted groundwater. One method includes converting the chromium-6 tainted water into less toxic chromium-3 water, which involves injecting the small amounts of ethanol into groundwater. Erin decided to make this a legal problem because it was on risk the health of many people. With the help of Ed Masry, she won the lawsuit against EPG. Over the years in the USA, 31 American cities have detected the presence of chromium-6, which means that the case of Erin Brockowich was very helpful for several families. We can conclude that using the scientific method helped us to analyze and determine the case of Erin Brockowich. That by using the scientific method, we were able to analyze the introduction of the case, the observations that Hinkle community had regarding water, the hypothesis of the people involved, the experiment that had to be carried out to determine what substance was in Hinkle's water, the result that told us what substance there was in the water, and finally the conclusion where we check whether or not our hypothesis is fulfilled. Thanks, and we go back to the studio.